In this video, I'm going to explain how reposting works on TikTok. Okay, so if I just open up TikTok real quick, and then you can see this, if I just go to a random post like this one, to repost, you would, basically a repost is like a retweet on Twitter. If you tap on the share button, you'll notice that you see the repost button here. Now, when you tap on the repost button, what's going to happen is it's going to repost that video onto the For You page of your followers. So they'll be able to see it and see that you reposted it. So if I just tap on repost, it says introduce videos that you find interesting to others. Repost will be visible to the public. So keep that in mind. If you're happy with that, tap on repost. It's now reposted and you can add a comment. Now, if you did that by accident, by tapping the button by mistake, you can tap on the share button again, and then you just tap here where it says remove repost. But if you refreshed your app and the video isn't coming up, there's no way that you can actually go and find that video again unless you know the username of the specific account, so you can find the video again. So that's the only downside. So that's essentially in a nutshell how reposting works on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.